OCR GCSE Computer Science, Episode 18, Client Server and Peer-to-Peer Networks. So the main difference between client-server and peer-to-peer networks is that the client-server model uses servers. So what is a server? A server is a computer that manages and stores files, or it's a computer that provides services to other computers on the same network. So servers serve and provide services to the user. Now, looking at the client-server relationship, the client sends the request to the server. The server then processes this request and then responds back to the client. So the client acts as the user. Now, the server stores information like the user profiles, passwords, access information. An example of the client-server relationship is the internet. The user sends a request on the web browser. This then acts as the client, sending requests to the web servers for the information. The web server will then fulfill the request by sending the web pages. Now, here are the pros and the cons to the client-server relationship. You may be asked these in your exam. So the pros include that it's easier to track files as they are stored centrally, it's easier to perform backups, and servers are quite reliable. In terms of the cons, it is expensive to set up and needs IT specialists to maintain the network. If one server, the main server, goes down, all of the clients do, and the server can become overloaded with many computers and users accessing it all at once. Now let's look at peer-to-peer networks. So in peer-to-peer networks, this is what you call a decentralized network. There is no server, therefore all of the devices are equal. So pros include that peer-to-peers are easier to maintain. There's no dependence on the server, so you don't need any specialist to come and help you with that. The cons, however, is that there are no centralized management, so the devices need to update themselves by themselves. And copying files between different computers can easily create and will create duplicates. Exam question practice. Identify 2 benefits and 2 drawbacks of using a peer-to-peer network. This is a 4-marker, so pause to have a go. Let's review the answers. So benefits include that there's no dependence on one machine or one server, and there's no extra expensive hardware needed. But drawbacks include that the software needs to be installed on individual devices, and copying files creates duplicate files. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it helpful, don't forget to subscribe to Know All Full GCSE and Know All Full A-Level. Good luck in your exams and see you soon.